Hey Malesh, come here.
Hey uncle, are you here? I thought of coming to you.
Where are you going?
I am going to the field. Did sister call you?
Why do you always go to the field? Don't you have other works? Did you eat or not?
First you tell if sister called you or not.
Hey, I am asking you, did you eat or not? But you are asking me, did sister call me?
I will move on. Even if I did not eat, you are there to feed me. If I did not cook rice, but my sister is studying in town. She might need some money, so I am asking if she called you or not. Wherever she is, she should be happy.
Are you mad? You always talk about sister. You are there for her, so nothing will happen to her.
Mom and dad kept her in my hands. I have the responsibility of her. I am asking you if my sister called you or not, but you are telling something.
Hey, couple of days back she called you for money. You lended from someone and sent to her. Again, why she will call so soon for money?
Uncle, my sister studies in town, not in village. You will know if you live in town. Okay, let me know. If my sister calls you, I am going to the field.
Go.
Uncle, did sister call you?
How do you know that she called me? Will you see something in my face?
I can say by looking into your eyes that sister called you. But why do you worry about me, uncle?
She will ask you for money and you will lend from someone and give it to her. Ray, how much money will you send to her? So, think for yourself also sometimes.
What is there to think for myself? Is it more important than my sister? First tell, what did my sister say?
Tomorrow your sister will come to the house. She will buy some clothes in the town. So, she asked to send 5,000 rupees.
That's it?
That's it. How will you bring 5,000 rupees? Will you lend from someone again?
Why will I lend? Yesterday I sold the grains. I am left with 3,000 rupees after my spendings. I will rent the gold which is there in the house for 2,000 rupees for my sister.
For that purpose, 3,000 rupees is enough. Why to rent gold again?
Malay's sister is studying in town. She is coming from town to village. Why will I think about money? Even if my sister asks me 20,000, I will die and give it to her.
I know. You will bring. I asked you to buy cell phone, but you say that money can be used for your sister's school fee. At least marry.
First I have to do marriage for my sister. I have to do it grandly. After seeing that marriage, everyone should get jealous. After that we will think about my marriage. But first we will send money to my sister. What, uncle? Sister is not coming yet.
Wait, she will come. She have to come from town. She should get down from bus and then she should get into the auto and then she have to come to our village. See there. Auto is coming.
Yes, uncle. How are you, sister?
You are sending money to her. She will be good.
Yeah, I'm good. Come, let's go inside.
Huh? What's this? She eats your money, but still she speaks with the attitude towards you.
Even my mother also speaks in this manner. This is not attitude. It is royalty which she got from my mother. You come inside. Uncle will speak in that manner. Sister, did your journey go well?
Yes, it went well. I want to tell you something.
Your brother is seeing matches for you.
I also want to tell about my marriage only.
Huh?
Brother, I am in love with one boy. His village is beside our village. His name Srinivas. Go and speak to him. I will marry him.
What are you speaking? He spent so much money on you. For this? Have you gone to town to do this kind of stupid things?
Why are you scolding her, uncle? She did by herself before I did. Even I have to do marriage for her, but the groom is different. She found love of her life. Okay, I will go and talk to them tomorrow.
The persons like you who love their sisters madly won't change. Not only in this life, they will never change. Malesh, why did you sleep here? Haven't you gone to the field?
No, I did not go. Come sit here. I didn't even feel sad when my sister stayed in town. But now I feel very sad when she is staying in her auntie's house, which is beside our village. How is she? What is she doing?
Yes. We won't feel when a girl sent far before marriage, but our heart beats between high and low when she is sent out after marriage. Don't feel sad. You don't feel sad. Hey,
Uncle,
have you plugged this whole land using hand or using tractor?
I only plowed the land using hand.
I see. It will rain soon. Start planting the seeds.
Some land is left to plow. We will plant once it is done.
Okay. What will you grow in field?
We will plant again cotton seeds.
Okay, it's cotton plant. Be careful.
Okay.
They are
Okay,
selling
uncle.
duplicate seeds. So, do carefully. Malesh, see your sister is coming.
Sister, are you coming now? Come, let's go inside.
No, I will not come inside. I want fridge, cooler, furniture for my marriage.
They are there in your house.
After my marriage, I went with empty hands. Should I like beggar in their eyes?
You did love marriage only. Your husband doesn't understand that much.
He will understand, but my auntie uncle is not understand.
Look, your house becomes a stranger's house and her in-law's house become her own house. Your house, it seems your house.
That doesn't matter. Will you give or not?
I will give. Eat some rice and go.
I don't want. I cooked chicken and I will eat. You send me the things soon. Okay, bye.
Ray, did you see your sister's love? She doesn't even know to bring the chicken for brother, but she came to ask you to send the things soon.
Leave it, uncle. She is a kid. How will she know? This soul is hers only.
Malesh, you made her like this with your support. From where will you bring money for all these things?
We have this house. We will lend this.
Hey, stupid fellow. How will you lend this house? They will take this house if you doesn't pay the money. Do you know that?
Why will I let this house go after getting the yield from the crop? I will pay the money. My sister asked me. It is the responsibility of brother to buy. I will go to the lender. Owner? Owner? Hello? Good morning.
Hey Malesham, why did you come?
I need some help.
What work do you have with me?
I did marriage to my sister. I have to give some things after marriage. I need some money for that.
So you need big help, not small help. How much do you need?
I need 1 lakh rupees.
What will you lend?
Owner, I brought house papers, do something and give me 1 lakh rupees.
Okay, I will give. You know about me, right? 5 rupees of interest. You have paid to within 3 months, or else I will take your house completely.
Okay, owner.
Afternoon, I will go to bank and bring the money. Come and take it, go.
Kavita, did you get ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Come, let's go.
Hey Malesham, where are you going?
I am going to the field,
Okay, wait. I gave you some money, right? I want those money back.
but I still have time to pay, right? Why are you asking so soon?
I don't know the time limit, but I want my money back. I want to pay somewhere. Take your papers. I don't want your interest. Give me my money back.
From where will I get? If you ask me suddenly, you know that I got lost after selling the shield. How?
Is this a warning? Tell me. You took 1 lakh money by begging to buy things for your sister. I told you to buy things for your sister. You don't have money to eat, but you will spend lakhs of money your sister.
How can you do like that? Please think once. Please take my field for that money. Please give my field and house after I return money. I will beg you. Kindly consider. I am poor. Please think about that. Please, Warner. I am begging you. Did you say how much your brother did for you?
What should I do with your field? Give me my money back. You don't have money to eat, but you want to buy things for sister. First stop sending money to her. Don't let her live by your death.
You want money only, right? I will sell my field and pay you money. Give me some time. I will sell my heart and make her live. You do not need this.
This is dramatic. You will become homeless if you does not return money. Your sister will live happily in that mansion.
Let me be homeless, but my sister lives happily. What is your issue? See, he is ready to be homeless for you.
Brother, please forgive me. I thought for my own sake. I did not think about you. Please forgive me. I did not think. For where you are bringing this money? I am shameless girl. I'm so sorry, brother. I'm really sorry.
No, you are not shameless, my dear sister.
We will sell those things, gold, everything, and give money to him.
No, you are not shameless. You are my mother.
No need to give, girl. Your husband did all this to change your heart.
What is all this? Yes, Malesh, to change your sister's heart, I did all this. Are you wondering how I came to know about your sister? Uncle came to our house. Why did you come here?
I came here to speak with you.
Tell, never mind.
That is that girl inside?
No, she went outside with my mother.
I want to talk to you personally. 1 month back, your wife came to his brother's house. She asked him to buy things for her. So sad. He lended his house and purchased things for her.
Why didn't you tell me about this?
I didn't find time to tell. I can't see his problems, so I am telling right now.
Okay, I will see.
From small age, even if he doesn't have anything, he will give it to her. But now, he doesn't even have house.
I will show in front of her what her brother did to her.
Okay, good. I will come again.
Okay, uncle.
Come again soon.
Your sister got to know about your hard work. Every sister should know. I went to talk to the lender.
Please forgive me. I scolded your brother more. Malesham, there is no need to pay any money. Your brother-in-law paid me. The papers are with your brother. Go and take.